Solving a math problem usually means making connection between the given condition and the target conclusion. To do that, let's analyze the conclusion first. So, x to the power 6 plus 1 over x to the power 6 equals x squared and then cube plus 1 over x squared and then cube. Then we can use sum of cubes formula. So we get a plus b. So x squared plus 1 over x squared times a squared. So it would be x to the power 4 minus the product of the two terms. So it would be x squared times 1 over x squared plus the square of the second term. So 1 over x to the power 4. So we can write as x squared plus 1 over x squared. The second factor, x4 plus 1 over x to the power 4. And then minus x here is 1. By the given condition, we know this part equals 2. So we get x squared plus 1 over x squared. And then times 2 minus 1. So get x squared plus 1 over x squared times 1. Just that. We denote it as 1. Now let's see if we can create x squared plus 1 over x squared from the given condition. Let's try. We can write x to the power 4 as x squared and then square. The other term, 1 over x squared and then square. The right side, 2. To create 1, we make the left side of this one as a perfect square. So we need to add 2ab. So plus 2a, which is x squared b, which is 1 over x squared, plus that. And actually that term is 2, right? So that means we add 2 to the left side. We need to add 2 to the right side. So add 2. So the left side actually is a perfect square now. So we get x squared plus 1 over x squared and then square. The right side, 4. Taking square root for both sides, so we get x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 2. It cannot be negative 2, right? So we denote it as 2. Finally, we can consider the target expression. X to the power 6 plus 1 over x to the power 6. By 1, we know it equals x squared plus 1 over x squared. By 2, we know it is 2. That is the final answer. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.